Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate strawberry bark. First, gather your ingredients. About 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate, like semi-sweet or milk, and 1 cup of fresh strawberries. Next, melt the chocolate. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt or microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring well each time. Make sure it's completely smooth before moving on. Now, let's prepare those beautiful strawberries. Wash and thoroughly dry 1 cup of fresh strawberries. This is crucial to prevent water from seizing your chocolate. Slice them into thin, even pieces, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Then, pour your melted chocolate onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Use an offset spatula to spread it into a thin, even layer, roughly 9 by 13 inches. With your chocolate spread, it's time for the star of the show, the strawberries. Carefully arrange your thinly sliced strawberries evenly over the melted chocolate. You can also add other toppings if you like, such as a sprinkle of sea salt, chopped nuts, or even some white chocolate drizzle. Once topped, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate is completely firm. Your delicious chocolate strawberry bark is now ready. Once the chocolate is completely firm, simply lift it off the parchment paper and break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. This bark is perfect for a quick treat or a lovely homemade gift. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.